Hello, today I'm just doing a quick review of this Allister Random Orbital Sander. Bought it in B&Q today. It's the 17th today, and until the 24th there is a 20% discount on all power tools. Normally they're 30 quid, this cost me 24 quid. It's a Allister SOS300 300 watt random orbital sander. First thing I'm going to do is whip it out of the box. Let's see what's in the box. Then I'm going to use it for what I bought it for, which is I'm making a shoe rack, which is in a separate video. When I've done that, I will then clip in some clippings from that video to show you how it got on. So let's have a look in the box. I'll also have a quick look at the spec. You get one solitary disc, which is a P80 grit. I bought several discs. I bought a pack of multi-pack from B&Q. I will have to get some finer ones for £8 something or other that cost £8 something or other. I got 40, 80, 120 and 180 grit there. Right, so you get a manual. Hopefully that will give me some clues, which I'll come back to you on in a sec, as to what its spec is exactly. Loads of safety warnings, and I'll come back to you about that in a sec. In here we have the sander itself, reasonable sized little jobby, has a dust extraction port on the back, has a little dust bag. The dust bag presumably just slots in. That's a bayonet fitting. Have a look. You stick that in and twist it. There we go. So that's a bag on. Twist that off. And if you want to use it with a vacuum cleaner, you have this little adapter that you can also stick in there and twist on. That's quite straightforward. Handle is adjustable for a couple of different places. Straightforward on-off switch. That looks reasonably straightforward. We'll see how it operates in a minute. But let's just plug it in now very briefly. Get something I don't mind sanding. Stick it on a tabletop and give it a quick whiz up. If you're wondering what that noise in the background is, that's a fan heater. Oh, do come on. Stick a rough bit of wood on there. That down one end. Let's line up those holes. Roughly lined up. And we have a speed adjuster on the front. Fair amount of torque for that. It's 9, or rather 6. We'll see how that goes with that. That's quite, that's doing quite a good job. That's just on an 80 grit paper. If I was going at this to get all those saw marks out, I would probably use a more aggressive paper to start with. Tightening that up seems take a bit of time. So that you take the adjustment out of the handle. There we go. Right, let's have a quick look at that. Now there will be some extra clips of me finishing that. So that is saw marks that were in the piece of wood when I started. That's what the wood looked like before I sanded it, and that's what it looks like now. Now, I don't know how closely you can see that, but if you look at this edge and this edge, because that's bowed in the middle slightly, there's a slight hollow there, which is why the saw marks have stayed there. That looks good. It doesn't look like it's got any great evidence of tracks for where the sandpaper's been. So I have to say, I think that is pretty good. I like that. I just bought the cheapest sander I could get hold of. Well, I say the cheapest sander. I bought the cheapest random orbital sander I could get hold of in the day. And I'm quite impressed with that. So I'll just cut to some clips of me finishing this, where I'll be using 180 grit paper just to finish that wood prior to putting assembly and painting. So there's that footage now. Tesco's very own anti-slip mat. Okay, that'll do. Do the other side. So there you go. It looks like a good sander to me. Dust filter on the back. Let's just see how much sand that's actually, how much that's caught. I haven't taken a great deal off there. Hasn't actually got a great deal in there. Got some evidence of it in there. I need a shop vac. That seems okay for 24 quid. Seems to go some. It does seem to be reasonably random orbital. Let's have a look. It's comfortable to hold as well. So it doesn't vibrate your hands a great deal. You could use that for quite some time. For 30 quid or 24 quid if you're quick, I'd recommend that. Also, if you want any other power tools from B&Q, get down there quick while they're cheap. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.